Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term go ham. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, go ham is to go all out or act with intense effort and enthusiasm. People use it when they want to describe someone giving their maximum effort. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Go ham first showed up in hip hop culture in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and internet users. Now let's check out how to use go ham in a sentence. Correct example 1. She decided to go ham on her presentation to impress the boss. Correct example 2. I'm going to go ham at the gym today and break my personal records. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said go ham at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using go ham right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Go ham means to go all out or act with intense effort and enthusiasm. It started in hip-hop culture in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with go ham in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.